Alright, you guys, welcome back to Monster Alert Tutorial. Today we're in Walmart again. I finally found Overboard. About time I find it. There it is, guys. Series 37. So there's the back. All I need is the Grandma Gravedigger, Swedish Fish Megalodon, Salvager, Zombie Horsepower, and the Chase piece. Because I have Toro Loco with the yellow tires. I already own it, so I need that one. So without further ado, here it is, Overboard, guys. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Okay, ooh, light time. So here's that's Overboard. Look at this. That is so nice. This is Jamie Garner, right? Jamie Garner? Right? I don't know. Yeah, Jamie Garner, the driver. Overboard, those stripes. And it's metal. Look at the paint. That's metal flake, guys, which is really nice. I like this one. No grill printing, just a gray grill and lights. It says Overboard, slap and stick, and the fire details nice. Overboard Monster Jam logo. This is Jamie again, the name. BKT tires, dark blue rims and bead locks, black roll cage, gray chassis. So that's all I got today, guys. I had the salvager, but I didn't have enough money for it, so hopefully I can get the rest of this case. So like, subscribe, comment, share, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out, and hope you all enjoyed.